ang i na ki social media katum ka proposal kabangipa kam siamla ingi ke jinghun di ha kani ka si kabangi dang sudah pisong im siamla ya kapan dan ai ka no karai ha kani ka janmi kajing kerpat kelong bangin yo ya kapan isong si meeting biang la sai shro baji ban pani ya kajing pom hon jangi kino hikai ki balai ap chitom ki balai thia ni them na kensho ya kajing sha chitom nadu ar frederick isai sin kerpat ya ki prano hikai ki jangi bangin haban sa Katu lai shai, katu baji, shpo baji ni don biang kasi si meeting. Namar kani kacing ni vote jong ke sarkar cabinet meeting. Tolong insulted.
Yes, sir.
They are earning in lakhs per month. They are earning in lakhs. And they feel that they know better that how much we should earn. When we kept telling them again and again and again and again that the salary enhancement that we are looking for should be uniform. It means should be the same. What they are doing is trying to divide the teachers. This is the same old policy that is being done, that is being followed by the Britishers while they were in India. Divide and rule. We are not happy, Mr. Conrad Sangma. We are not happy, Mr. Preston Tinsong. And we are not happy, Mr. Lakman Rambo. In the other day, whilst Preston Tinsong was addressing the press, he stated that the government is going to allocate 200 crores. But the number that came today is 100 crore. Where is the 100 crore? Where did it go to? How can in a few days, 2-3 days, 100 crore or 200 crore becomes 100 crore? We do not even understand that.